In this video today, I will show you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code using iPhone 16 or 17 and connect to a Wi-Fi fast without entering the password. Now for this one, what I will do is I will go ahead and then I will open the camera app in my iPhone, and this camera app I will use to scan this QR code. And you can see there will be an option shown here, and I will tap on this Wi-Fi name here and then join. So after this, what happens, my iPhone will scan the Wi-Fi QR code and it will connect to the Wi-Fi. Now suppose if your camera can't scan the Wi-Fi QR code, go to settings here and go to this option camera, and here there is an option scan QR code. Make sure that this is enabled. Thank you for watching the video.